Have you ever been in a situation where your computer is connected to the internet, but you cannot open any page on the web? Well, it's a strange but often solvable issue. When you are connected to the internet through a Wi-Fi router but cannot get to any web pages, check the wireless icon in the bottom right hand side tray. You will most likely see a small yellow triangle, and when you click on it, you will see a no internet secured message. This error occurs due to different reasons, the most common being a change in your configuration settings like your IP addresses, which could cause your router to have problems connecting to the internet. Any programs, including an update to the operating system, can cause this problem. So, how to fix the no internet secured problem? So, I am going to tell you the 7 different steps to solve this problem. So, let's get into the video. So there are many ways to fix this problem. It's a good idea to run through each of the options, as any of it can fix the problem. Since it's hard to find a way the exact cause of this error, you will have to try one of these options. Step number 1 is change the property of your Wi-Fi connections. And follow the steps. I am going to show you the exact step you have to follow. And go to Network and Sharing Center. Go to Change Adapter option, then choose the local area connection and choose your Wi-Fi connection. Right click on the Wi-Fi and choose Properties. Then uncheck the following options. Then restart your computer and maybe your problem is gone. Step number 2, update the network adapter. Sometimes an outdated driver can prevent your computer from connecting to the internet. So go to Device Manager and then go to the network adapter, and you will see the 2 drivers. One is LAN driver, another is Wi-Fi driver. And then choose your network adapter, such as I am choosing LAN adapter. Then right click on this, then you can see the update driver. You can find it from online, and then you can update your driver from online. And then restart your computer and your problem may be solved. Step number 3, reset your network setting by using command. Go to command prompt, click as an administrator, then enter the following command, which I am sharing on the screen. For the result, restart your computer. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Step number 4, uninstall your Wi-Fi driver. So go to Device Manager, is like as before, then go to Network Adapter. You will find 2 drivers. Then click which you want to remove or uninstall. If you have Wi-Fi issues, then go to Wi-Fi driver, then right click on this driver. As I am uninstalling the LAN driver, and don't worry, it won't delete your data. Go to Action, then go to Scan for hardware changes. After that, driver will install again. After that, restart your computer and then problem may be solved. Step number 5 is disable your Wi-Fi driver. So go to the Network and Sharing Center and change adapter option, then go to the Wi-Fi driver. Right click on this driver and then disable the driver and enable it again. Then restart your computer, maybe your problem will be solved. Then step number 6 is forget the network. So go to the Network and Sharing Center and then go to the Manage Wireless Settings. Then you can see the Wi-Fi name which you have connected. Just remove it and then connect it again with the password. For Windows 10 user, you can just simply forget the network, then connect it again and restart your computer. Maybe it's your problem solved. Step number 7 is router channel setting. First of all, log into your router first, then go to your router wireless settings, then click on channel, then keep your channel number fixed. You can put 16911 or as you want, then save it and then restart your router and complete it. Maybe your problem is solved. And the bonus tips is static IP setup. If your problem is not solved, then go to this step and it will help this. Go to command prompt, which you can find your gateway like 192.168.0.1, and I am sharing my screen. You can find it. So go to the network and sharing center and go to the change adapter options and go to Wi-Fi driver, right click on it and go to properties, and you can find TCP IPv4 and then click on properties. Then click on use the following IP addresses, which I am sharing on my screen, and you can follow the step. Put the IP subnet masks and like this way. My gateway is 192.168.0.1. Then IP start from 022 to 02254. DNS you can put which your ISP has provided and then save, and then maybe it can be solved your problem. Note, if you want to connect other network, then click obtain IP addresses and obtain DNS settings. Otherwise it can be problem whenever you will connect other network. And thanks for watching my video. Hopefully it will help to find your Wi-Fi problem. And if you want to get more updates, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share of my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.